Here's my house. My house is here. What is not a new house? What?
What are you reading?
Dog. Dog.
What's that?
Hey, why am I reading?
What are you reading? What's that?
Uh,
Read a story. I socks. You read a story.
Cat on the table and the window. I don't have that. Table on the bed. I don't know that. Picture. Teeny door, reader, oven. What is it, Mama? What is it?
Plate.
Huh?
Plate.
Lowy?
No, it's plate.
Plate? Oh, light or the bed and the pillow and the cabinet.
Correct. Yes, you're right.
What is it, Mama?
What's that?
What is this?
Soap.
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 Soap. What is it?
I don't know.
It's a brush.
Oh, yes, brush.
Duck.
Say that again. Brush.
Brush.
Bib.
Brush.
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 Yes.
Duck. What is it, Mama?
Bathtub.
What? I messed up again. Ladybug on the cart and the nailbug and the flower. And the tree house to area dogs and the butterfly.
Butterfly.
Other one. Gold-lacted.
What's that diamond? Sakit to be? Diamond. Sakit to be? I
I
socks?
don't know. I don't know.
Diamond. What's that again?
It's nothing.
It's a Minecraft ba?
Huh?
Minecraft. Diamond.
Diamond.
Diamond. What?
Diamond will get Minecraft on the cave. There's water on the cave.
There's monster.
Be
in the-
careful. Don't run. Don't go on the cave. It's really dangerous. It's really dangerous.
Why?
Because there's zombie down there.
Oh, there's a zombie down there. What else? How about the diamond armor? What's that?
Yes, armor. Slay the zombie and Minecraft. Diamond armor.
So what are you reading now?
Dog.
What's that? Dogs?
Yeah.
Can you tell me a story about dogs?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your story? What's your story?
Come on na.
Ano, what's naman na?
There. Come on na. Dito. Upside down. And what? What? Oh, dog.
What's upside down?
Dogs. Dogs. What? Huh? Cat. Cat. Be good. Tiger. Tiger. Sister. Sister. Like us. Look, it's your answer right here. Standing there. What? Just sun. Is that the sun?
Hey, so you're not reading.
A sun. Mama, again! That's it.
Tell me what's the good one.
I don't want the video. I don't want the video, Mama.
Okay, you tell where's the good one and the wrong one. Can you tell me that?
Good or the wrong one?
What do you mean? What's that game again? I saw.
Wrong one. Good one. Good one.
Okay, I'll choose.
Yeah.
I'll choose.
Hmm.
Okay.
This one is the wrong one. This one is a good one. I choose this one. It's a good one. I love it. This one.
Why do you like this one?
I
No! Don't cover. Why do you like this one?
like it. There's family in the house. This one has no man, has no ball. This one is the wrong one too. And they have glitter.
Tell me about the TNT.
Roar!
Ice socks.
TNT that looks weird. Be careful, don't set the red plate. Be careful.
Why? Don't
Come
step
on
on
now.
the lava.
Come on now.
What's it again?
I'm tired now.
Oh, you're tired now.
Hey, I want the video. Why dog? I'm tired.
You're tired? You're gonna sleep now?
Yeah.
What will you say?
Good night, Mama.
Then,
Good night.
good night and
I love you.
I love you. Good night.